Hey everyone, we are the group 2. My name is Andrew Dalion.
My name is April C. Chancellor.
My name is Christopher T. Kalaika.
My name is Daniel Padilla.
We are going to discuss about
Use small and slow solution and use and value diversity.
the permaculture design principle. It is a set of universal rules that apply to any location and it allows us to have our efficient farming practices. And permaculture is our organic gardening and farming practices. The word permaculture derived from the word permanent agriculture and it can produce any waste.
Next is the principle 9. As you can see in this picture, use small and slow solutions. So this principle emphasizes small and implementing solution that appropriate of the local context. It means mag-taking steps sila in a small step and allowing system to develop gradually over time. So kibali, hinay-hinay bitaw siya nga solution, but sure di siya nga mulambo.
In terms of human flourishing, mabilang siya nagbuhat ka sa simple step to daw na siya impact sa mga tao. Like for example, farm community. Doon na itong farm community, naka-interact ang mga tao, naka-communicate sila. Which is, dako na itabang sa ilang mental health o sa ilang social status.
In the context of the development, it means moving away from large-scale industrial practices. Instead, permaculture farm nag-focus lang sa ginagmay na decentralized system. Ang decentralized system mo ni siya ang pagbago sa patakaran o redistribution of power.
Ang example na nga vertical, muna siyang polyphase farming, used by Jewel sa Latin. Kaning polyphase farming, ang mga consumer nila dito mismo magato sa ilang farm kung magpalit sa ilang mga product.
Principle 10. Use and value diversity. This principle recognizes the importance of diversity in creating resilience and productive system. It means gina-embrace bitaw in the diversity in all forms including na ang biodiversity, cultural diversity, and diversity of idea.
In terms of human flourishing, lalay mong gikan nga culture, lalay mong color sa planet, kay lahat mong gikan. Pero ginavalue ako ninyo inyong uniqueness o inyong strength. Tas na mo ipatas nga pagtawtanan sa usa't usa.
In the context of the development, it means na nag-moving away na sila gikan sa monoculture to diverse agricultural practices.
Kaning technology mo na siya makatabang sa principle nga use slow, small solution and use and value diversity.
This example principle is about the Zaytona farm, owned Gio Floton. So, gina-integrate really ang fruit tree, vegetables, herbs, animals, water, and management system. The farm demonstrates how diversity lead more resilient and productive ecosystem.